finished this house. Man, you wouldn't think window cleaning would be that big of a deal. But dude, I am exhausted. Look at all this cool equipment. It's finished. Can ensure we can create a clear path to light for you and your loved ones in your home, reducing time, effort, and increasing savings for you, because right now we are running a limited time offer called our spring cleaning promotion just for you. If you take advantage today, all you have to do is somewhere down below or somewhere above, there'll be a link for you to click on, take you over to a super easy, super simple contact form where a approved screened representative will reach out to you to give you a free, no obligation quote.